Hello, soul family. Welcome to Trupti's Tarot Predictions. This is weekly predictions for the week of 16 to 22nd of August. First of all, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please do subscribe my channel. Please share it with your friends and please like my videos. I'm getting so many responses that yes, my weekly predictions are resonating with them, because this is the first ever time I have started with shifted rather from personal readings to the collective reading. So yeah, your love and support is much required. And happy Independence Day to all the fellow Indians all over the world. And happy Parsi New Year too. So let's start with the reading. Let's start with the weekly predictions. As you know, I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your energy towards your person, 3 cards for your person's energy towards you, 3 cards for your mutual energy, mutual relationship energy, 3 cards for your general reading, that is exclusively for you. And at the end, please keep one question in mind. At the end, I'll answer that question. Okay, that will be angel's guidance. So let's begin. Okay, so my higher self wants to take out a reading, take out cards for your person first this time. So let's see. I have to obey him, isn't it? Okay, so let's start. Let me make some space. I've got another deck over there. Okay. Okay, so let's begin with your person's energy towards you. Okay, uh, they have got lot of love for you. Okay, I must say they have got lot of love for you, all the emotions, feelings, affection, everything for you. Okay, yeah, they want commitment, they want to settle down in life, they want marriage, they want a stable relationship with you. Okay, whatever situation right now you are at. Okay, they want the next level, but this but is very important. But either they are not openly talking about it, or the process is very slow. Okay, are they coming and proposing you? No. Okay, they are not. It's a very what I can say, it's a very slow energy. Okay, at energetic level, yes, all that love, emotions, feelings, everything is there. Okay, energetic level, everything is happening. Physical world, I do not see any kind of action. Though the emotions are there, but I do not particularly see them taking the action. Okay, there could be many reasons attached to this. Maybe you are not sure about it. Okay, maybe these are their emotions, but they are not sure how well it will go, the stability, the commitment, the marriage, the whole kind of proposal kind of thing. Okay, whether you will say yes or no. uh, Maybe family situation, maybe I don't know, but they are taking each step very cautiously. It's like uh, it's like, first of all, they are very slow in this process, okay, because in physical world I see a very, I mean, very small, less movement, okay. And whatever actions they are taking, um, I can just give you an example, okay. If suppose they want to tell you each and everything, okay, um, maybe you were in no contact situation or you are talking, okay, so they want to tell you, I have got these plans, my life has been this, or I have got this many kind of emotions for you. But what they are texting you, just a hi, hi. Okay, that's it. So this is for your person's energy towards you. Energetically, lot many things are happening. Practically, I'll just show you the cards. Energetically, lot many things are happening. Practically, the process is very slow. It's stable, okay, no doubt about it, but it's very slow, okay. Thinking and thinking. So this is it. So let's wait. We have to wait till the time they come and talk to you, okay. More than just an hi, okay, just a hi. So yeah, that's there. So let's see about you. Why are you not happy? I should ask you this question. You were waiting for them, okay, you wanted this relationship, you wanted everything to happen. Right now also you want that stability, but what is stopping you then? Because somewhere energetically you are stopping them to take action. Your body language, your love language, your overall thing, okay, is creating that aura or energetic field which is kind of blocking them or stopping them to take action towards you, okay. Why are you thinking too much, or you are in dual mindset and you are thinking this will not work out, or what will happen if I take this action? So many ifs and buts, so many ifs and buts. You want this relationship, you want them to talk to you, to share their emotions, life with you. But what are you doing? Okay, I'll just show you what are you doing. You want this, okay, you want the stable foundation for your love relationship, but you are in dual mindset. And this is created by only by you, okay, I must say this is created only by you, no one else, okay. You have to just remove this, what I can say, uh, black strip, okay, so that your eyes will be wide open and you can see that yes, the other person is looking forward to meet you, to greet you, to have relationship with you, to have a commitment with you, okay. So come out of this loneliness, okay. So many thoughts, so many emotions, but action, nothing. Just overthinking and spending sleepless nights. That's it. That is what you are doing right now. I don't know what will happen, but yeah, at least for this week, this is the energy. So let's see what's actually gonna happen in between both of you. Their energy is so positive. Yours is also. But yeah, come out of this doubts, suspicious. Uh, Trust the process, okay. If something is getting offered to you, trust the process. I think healing is much more required at your end, okay, not at their end. Healing is required. You are kind of blocking them. Don't do that. And then next time don't say why are they not talking to you, okay? They are trying. Let's see. Okay, finally. Okay, so maybe either you will heal yourself, okay, maybe you will come out of this situation, you will stop blocking them, you will open up your heart and mind space for them, and yeah, they will come to you. And obviously it's their energy little slow, little stable, but yes, they will come to you. And this whole thing, what they will do, they will actually take you away from all the negativity towards positivity. They will make you believe in love, they will make you believe in relationship. They will tell you, no, this is certain things happen in relationships. Maybe they have said something which might have hurt you, or maybe you have done something which might have hurt them, but this energy is getting cleared. And who is clearing that energy? Obviously God, divine, universe, but they are the ones who will take the first step, okay? They are the ones, okay? So this will happen, and the outcome is this. So I will overlook this, not overlook, but this energy will kind of shade off, and this energy will pop up. So it's a beautiful, beautiful energy. All the cups are filled. See, both are sitting with the family situation. So this and this, a typical marriage, a typical commitment energy, okay? So yeah, thankfully you are also working on your energy, and they are obviously they are working. Maybe they are little shy or introvert. They're not able to express their love, or maybe certain things have happened in the past in your life, okay, which might have giving them energy that you might reject their proposal. But yeah, open up heart and mind space for them, and they will come to you. So let's see about your general reading. This general reading can be about your finances, job, career, family, anything and everything. Please, 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 please stop thinking about past. Please stop thinking about ifs and buts. Please stop thinking what will happen if this is the case, that is the case. No. Shh. Calm down. And you are not the one. I don't know why you are feeling so bogged down with all the responsibilities. Is it that the whole world or everything, you are the one who is taking everything on your shoulder, okay? Little bit I can understand, okay? Taking responsibilities, yes, that is very much important, and I can understand that. But don't get bogged down by your responsibilities, okay? Don't feel it as a burden. Don't think so much about it, okay? This is for your career, this is for your job, this is for your finances. Maybe you need to raise the vibrations, okay? Maybe you need to raise the vibrations. Clear off all the energies, the negative, the stuck, the stubborn energy, I could say. Okay, what you can do, start with the meditation. I always share frequencies. Start listening to them. Start working out with switch words. Write down manifestation things. Okay, whatever your dreams and desires. Okay, do that and clear off this energy. Okay, raise your vibrations. Raising vibrations is much more important. Okay, don't just sit like this. Okay, don't keep on thinking about the past. Okay, don't keep on thinking about the past. Don't just keep on waiting, or don't just be negative. Okay, about the situation. Don't feel doubts, don't be suspicious. Okay, and responsibilities, yes, I do understand, but don't get bogged down, please. Clear off these energies. Okay, clear off these energies. The situation will be bright. Okay, that will be hopeful if you cut off all the negativities. Okay, what else? Yeah, maybe you can pause the video. Okay, have one question in mind. Okay, whatever, and let angels guide us. So yeah. It's in love and hate relationship with the universe. For me, not for you. Okay, so yeah, you will reach out to some peaceful resolution. Maybe this is about your love, maybe this is about your finances, maybe this is about your family, each and everything. Whatever question you have asked in your mind. Okay, peaceful resolution is coming. It is just that, please clear off your energies, raise your vibrations, and yes, yeah, okay, so that's it. Angels will provide you peaceful resolutions. It will come to you. Okay, it is just that you need to open your heart and mind space. That's it. That's it from my side. I hope you will work out through this. Okay, and soon you will find the peace. Till that time, thank you so much. May my higher self bless you. May God bless you, and thank you so much. Please, yeah, please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.